Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add or change banner on your Twitch account. Follow these easy steps to easily change or add a banner photo to your Twitch profile. Go ahead and launch Twitch and make sure to sign into your account. Now, click on your profile photo at the top right and click on your profile photo again, and you will jump into your profile settings page. Here, make sure to select profile, and here you will get your profile banner. Now, note one thing, that your profile banner file format must be in JPEG, PNG, GIF, and make sure to use these recommended size for the banner. Make sure your banner photo size is maximum 10 megabyte. Okay, now it's time to upload our banner photo. To do that, click on update or add and click on upload a photo, or you can drag your banner photo from your computer directly. Okay, so I'm going to selecting a photo from my computer. It may take some time to upload the banner photo. And once the photo uploaded, here you will see your banner has been successfully updated or changed. And now, if you want to change your Twitch profile picture, you can also change your profile picture by clicking on update profile picture. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.